Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 17th, 2026. The topic of that episode was The Fabric of Life is Spirit. Swami, your insights.
We outline the difference between accepting mortal, mental, material, corporeality here and now, or choosing incorporeal, immortal spirit everywhere, always. Because we can't be both.
Looking to choose life as spirit? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya